Okay, so today I'm fixing the braided wig from our store. First, I already used the melting spray and I used the blow dryer to dry it, and now I'm cutting off the excess. I'm using this lace tint just to make sure that it's not too bright, but it's just going to give me my exact shade before I install the braided wig. And right about now, I'm installing already. This is a glueless installation, so I'm just using the melting spray. This melting spray I got from Love Beauty product. It's actually really good because it holds very well. And after that, I'm going to tie it like I just did. Tie it and carry it for like 3 minutes, or as long as you can be able to bear it, because I mean this thing, it's kind of painful, so it just depends on how long you can have it. And after that, I'll just let it sit for a while, say 3 minutes, 2 minutes, just depends on you. And then I'll take it off to know how well I did. Because guys, this is like my second time of installing a frontal wig. I used to be really scared of doing it, but I tried the first one being the straight hair, the bone straight hair, and now I'm doing this one. So let's see how well we did. Wow, we did good. So this could be you. Don't be scared to try. Just try it today. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to tell someone to buy a braided wig from Sonia Hair Extensions. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this is the final product. This could be you. So just like me, that was so scared to try. Today is Saturday, so just take your time. Don't be scared. Just try it. There's no harm in trying. Is there? I really don't think there is. So this could be you slaying either your straight wig frontal, your coily hair frontal, or your braided wig frontal, just like I've done. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I'm so proud of myself. I have other videos where I actually tried doing this myself, and I'm going to be uploading them for you to see, so you can have that confidence just like me. Yep.